In this video, I will be unboxing the phomemo M04S. This is the instruction manual. Some free stickers. Yay! The charging wire, USB Type-C. And the beautiful printer. Taking a look at the instruction manual on how to open it. There's a small flap in the front and that helps you open the printer. I was taking off the sample sticker that comes with the sample paper. And I made sure to place the paper back with print side up. Was turned on already, and the connection has been found in the app. Now I'm ready to adjust the photo and print. This was a project for my child's school. She wanted to be a fashion designer, so I decided why not print out some stickers for her. Great print! Now to stick onto her project board. Thank you, phomemo.